Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and the following video is about our new HTS adhesive. I use this adhesive on a picture frame. Makes a great gift. It's a Dollar Tree frame, so it's very inexpensive, but it's a great gift, or just to make for yourself. And while we're talking about adhesive, I want to show you what else we're offering in our adhesive line. We have matte adhesives, and I'm just showing you a few of the colors. We have many colors. So this is our matte. We also have, here's more matte. I mean, we have a ton of it. We also have hologram, which this is a part of. Hologram is just beautiful. Look at these. How should I show these to you? So it really shines, and we have some cool ones, like this bubble. I've used that a couple of times already. It's really neat. We have it in lots and lots of colors. So that's the hologram. And again, these are just a few of the samples. And we have Spectrum. Spectrum adhesive. How cool is this? And again, we have tons of colors. And you can tell it's ours because we have the HTS logo on the back. Although some of them we don't have a logo yet because we're still kind of new at doing this, but it'll be there. And while we're talking about the shiny stuff, I wanted to explain one little thing, maybe a couple of little things. This is our adhesive, our HTS adhesive. And this is our HTV metallic. Now, the way you can tell the difference between these is very easy. This doesn't have anything on the back and it's kind of gray. And this has the writing. Okay, that's pretty simple. But I also thought I'd tell you about how to tell the difference between spectrum and metallic. So if you turn them over, this is spectrum, this is metallic. They look kind of similar, right? But if you turn them over, spectrum is always the color that it's going to pick up the most. And metallic is usually silver or gray on the back. So that's one way, spectrum metallic, to tell the difference. And I just want to show you one more thing before we get to this video. These are our new blanks that we have for Christmas. It's the hat, isn't that darling? And a stocking. So you'll see this. I've done a video on this and I'll put it in our notes at the bottom. Cute, right? So those are on our website now that you can get them. They make great blanks and they're really easy to do with a home iron or a heat press. Okay, I think that's all. Hope you like the following video. If you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. And also join our Facebook group if you haven't already. We have so much fun on the group, and our members are active and they ask a lot of questions that we answer, and they answer a lot of questions for each other. So I've got the links in our notes below, so hope to see you soon. And look for this video. It's coming up soon. It'll be right up here. Thanks, guys. Have a happy holiday. Bye.